How to add welcome bot to Discord. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, get yourself onto any server where you would like to add the welcome bot. As you do so, click onto the server's name. Here click on app directory. Under search apps, type in DYNO, Dino, then enter. You will see Dino Utilities. Click onto it. Click on add app. Click on visit site. Now get logged into your account and authorize. Click on select a server and make sure that you are choosing the server where you would like to add bot. Now you will see a page like this. In here, go on servers and select the specific server. And once you're at this page, you will see this dashboard. Click onto it and you will see welcome, let's get you set up. You can go ahead and select a prefix. You can also select your time zone, then click on next. Likewise, you can also choose the update channel. Click onto done here and under modules, you have to type in welcome. You will see welcome, toggle it on, click on settings. At this section, click on select channel, then general. Click on send welcome message in DM. Check this message type and go ahead and customize this. Once you're satisfied, click on update. If you go onto your Discord server and open the test server, which is my name channel, you will see the Dino has been added. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.